In Chelsea, she's great. I feel like, as I said, I think she gives a fresh new air to a Miss Philippines, and she's so young, and I feel like, yeah, I would really be excited to see how she transforms on stage, because I feel like she's that type of girl. When you meet her in person, she's very sweet, very like kind of demure, very sweet. But then on stage, she unlocks a different part of herself. Performer talaga siya. So very excited ako to see how that comes alive on the Mexico stage.
Na-monitor mo yung journey?
A little bit, oo. Kasi close friends din ako sa designer niya, kay Manny Halasan.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wasn't able to have a sit down with her, although I reached out multiple times, but feeling ko napaka-busy siya.
Wow.
So I also understand the schedule that comes along with being a...
O, diba? Tama naman si Catriona Gray. Kasi totoo din naman eh. Yung, di ba yung pagpanalo niya, nagulat ang lahat. Sino ba si Chelsea manalo? Baka siya ang nanalo. Kasi kung i-review mo yung mga performance talaga niya, ang ganda naman talaga pala ng performance niya. Kahit ako noon, nanood ako ng Miss Universe eh, hindi ko din expect na si Chelsea manalo na that time. So, na-curious ako, tinignan ko rin siya. Sabi ko, galing. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng background niya, pinanggalingan niya, pagiging humble niya. Yung totoo sinasabi ni Catriona Gray na makikita talaga natin ang pagiging humble niya, yung pagiging sweet niya. Yung dalagang Pilipina, mahinhin kasi si Chelsea manalo, di ba? At hindi siya hindi natin nakikita yung nagyayabang siya. Pero on stage, talaga doon niya pinapakita yung buong best niya, which is good talaga yan eh. Para at least hindi magkaroon ng idea yung mga tao ng buong mundo, ano ba talaga yung galawan mo. Dapat, yun nga sinasabi nga, simplihan mo lang. Pero pag nasa stage ka, doon mo na talaga itodo ng todo. Diba? Magta-transform talaga si Chelsea manalo. Oh my God. So, yun ang sinasabi ko na walang imposible yan. Para sa positive tayo eh, no? Maging positive tayo, but we don't expect too much. Andun yung supporta lang talaga natin kay Chelsea manalo, no? Not because kasi mahirap man yung nag-expect too much. Hindi rin kasi maganda yun. Parang pinipressure mo yung sarili mo, pinipressure mo yung Miss Universe candidates natin, no? So, basta, andun lang tayo na manalo, matalo, support talaga natin si Chelsea manalo. Basta, yun lang ang dapat nating the best na magawa para sa ating bansa din yun. Diba? Ang pagsuporta sa kanya. Yun lang. Yun na masasabi ko. And then, ito yung payo ni Miss Catriona Gray. Panoorin natin.
For all, come day one of this year.
Any advice na lang to Chelsea?
Oh, I always say, like, just to really remember why you went on that journey in the first place, and it can be anything that resonates with you, whether it's opening new opportunities or doors for yourself, or elevating your community, or for a cause, or for the country. Just to hold on to that anchor, because throughout the exhaustion and the long schedules and all the ups and downs that comes with being a Miss Philippines, that's what you really need to hold true to. And just enjoy, because I look back on it now and it feels like a blip. Like, yeah, it's like so fast. Yung time ko, 2 weeks yata, 2.5 weeks ang laban ko noon sa Thailand. But now looking back, it's so fast.
Just enjoy mo lang talaga siya. I-enjoy mo yung moment kasi once in a lifetime lang yan na dumating sa buhay mo eh. Kaya, andun talaga dapat yung nag-enjoy ka, pero andun yung pagiging humble mo, andun yung pagiging powerful mo.
Have in your lifetime. So I hope that, my advice would be to be present and to remember her anchor and to...
Tama naman talaga sinabi ni Catriona Gray na just have fun and enjoy mo, pero andun yung pagiging seryoso mo pagdating sa mga bagay na dapat seryosohin. Gaya ni Miss France. Look at that. Si Miss France, diba? Naglalaro lang siya sa stage. Hindi ako nakapag-reaction doon, but tingnan niyo nakapasok sa kasi because she has a good attitude. Yan dapat kailangan talaga huwag mong tanggalin yung good attitude kasi ang magpapabagsak sa'yo pag pinakita mo yung hindi magandang ugali mo. Pero kasi dyan kailangan kasi yan sa Miss Universe Paano ka maging Miss Universe kung ang iyong ugali ay hindi maganda? Yun lang. For today's video, bye!